Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a case study of a simple system that I have used and I'm currently using. It's the low-cost free item that I was talking to you about in my course. Basically, this system works like this. I have a low-cost free item that I'm giving away at the front end right away, and people that go through that process are buyers and are automatically added to my list. They basically follow this system where they get a low-cost item or something for free, but they pay for shipping. This can really have a great conversion rate where you get people at the door that are likely to buy more products from you on your store. So let me show you an example right here that I've been running for the past week, and I just do very well with this type of niches and products. The niche here, as you can see, is jewelry, and the product niche is necklaces. And this is a niche which is always great to jump into, especially if you do t-shirts too. It really sells well along with watches. So this is the eBay arbitrage system that I've been talking to you about previously in my course. You can perfectly do it with jewelry items, and here I'm going to show you an example. So I'm on eBay, as you can see here, which is a gold mine to find amazing products, low-cost items, where you can implement the system, the arbitrage dropshipping system that I was talking to you about. The product is this one right here, this. And I'm just exactly showing you the product that I sold and I'm selling. So the product that I found was a jewelry pendant chain crystal necklace, which is, like I said, this one right here. The necklace, as you can see, it's only $2.39, and with free shipping, of course. It was actually $2.11 when I first bought it, and it's coming from China. So I'm offering this on my store with my ad for free. The way I promoted it on my store was free fashion jewelry pendant crystal necklace, something like that. Of course, you can change it, you can swipe it, you can change it as you like. But the pay shipping was $9.95. So as you can see, I'm still making a profit per sale of $7.50 right off the bat, and then you want to lead them to your related products, collections, and all other stuff. So this is a great way to go about it, because you always need to keep in mind that $7.50 per sale obviously is nothing, but what counts is how many products you can set up. This is the secret. I mean, imagine setting up products like that on complete autopilot. And there are not only necklaces, like I have plenty of other products up and running which bring passive income like this one. But I don't sell only necklaces, but watches, earrings, bracelets. So just imagine what you can do here. Jewelry is a niche that sells like hotcakes. Once you understand this system, then it's completely up to you to make it up and running. There's lots of jewelry pieces out there. It's just ridiculous. Search for low-cost items like this one right here, because they do very well. And like I said, there's not only this one, but check out, the tags or watches, earrings, bracelets, all that stuff. Just be careful of saturation. If you do too many of one product, the audience can get saturated pretty quickly. So just vary. Okay, you want to start searching for those really obscure, unique themes in your niche and go with that. For example, like I showed you in one of my videos previously, there's the cat jewelry niche. You could try that one, for example, which sells very well. I have personally done very well with that one too. So this was my setup. The front end of my store with the word free, very visible. Then when the customer purchases it, he goes through the easy checkout process when he has to pay the $9.95 for the shipping. Now I'm going to show you some numbers of the ad campaign that I ran for this product. Hey guys, so like I told you, now I want to show you some numbers of the ad campaign that I run for this particular product, the crystal necklace. As you can see here, I'm going to show you exactly all my numbers, the numbers of this campaign, so you can exactly see what I done. So first off, this was a simple PP ad campaign, and the post engagements were 4,533. The reach was around almost 28,000. Frequency 1.69. The total ad spent, the money that I spent for this ad was $112. The average cost per post engagement 2 cents. The number of units sold of this product were 97. So I also ran a WC, a website clicks ad, as well for around $60. So basically the total ad spend was around 170. The conversions were pretty good, and as you can see here, the CDR was, the click-through rate was 8.106%. The relevant score was good too. Now the ad copy. I want to show you the ad copy for my product, the crystal necklace. As you can see here, it's very simple. You can easily swipe this and replicate for not only this product, but for you know, bracelets, earrings, you know, other necklaces. So as you can see here, grab this free pendant crystal necklace while you still can. Get yours here. Insert your link. That's the place where you have to insert your link, and then you can, you know, tag someone you know that will love this. You can just add that in your post. So as you can see, this is very simple stuff, guys. It generally takes me like 5 to 10 minutes to create ad campaigns like this. So you can just imagine how many similar products you can set up and running. It's just unbelievable. The total units sold, like I said, for this item were 97. So 97 times 10, shipping cost is 970. Only on the front end, I'm making a solid, huge ROI. And this without counting the upsell products in the back end. Because as you probably know, if you don't know, back end is everything, guys. Like, it's where the real profits are. Okay, this product is nothing compared to the profits you are going to make in the back end with other similar products there. You're going to upsell them. Okay, so it was really that simple. I can tell you how many times I've done this, not only in the jewelry niche, but in cosmetics, electronics, gadgets, home improvement, comic book characters, you name it, or even Disney stuff, which sells very well. Just keep finding items out there that you think will sell well. Just go on eBay, Watchcam, Amazon. It's very simple. Everything is laid out in my course, so you just have to copy and paste pretty much. Do it not only with the low-cost free items, but also for high-cost products as well. And then you can move yourself into the, you know, the white labeling as soon as you find products that can be really great winners. And you do that by going into AliExpress or Alibaba that I showed you in my course. For example, a quick idea for you right now with this product would be this. What you can do is that you would be into the, of course, the jewelry necklaces niche. You can buy this product, contact the seller, go to Alibaba and find that exact product and buy 50 to 10,000 of them. This way you will get them for a couple of cents per piece instead of $2. Then what you have to do is pretty much easy. You have control over shipping. You can package them correctly. This way you have more control over customer satisfaction quicker, and it really works very well from that point. So this might be the next step if you would be in this niche. Of course, there are plenty of niches. You can do the exact same for other niches too. This way you will end up building huge assets and profits, and the profits can be truly stellar. You know, you will, if you implement this strategy, you will be absolutely blown away from the number of orders that you're going to see through your Shopify stores. It's just unbelievable, that feeling when you see you know, all the notifications of orders through your Shopify stores. It's just unbelievable. So I really hope you got a lot from this case study. I really gave out the farm here and my system. Finding the products is very easy. You can find that necklace that I showed you, this one right here. You can easily find it, like I said, on eBay. There's a ton of other products. So it's incredibly easy to reproduce, and actually you can be up and running starting from tonight if you want. Please don't be lazy, because this is actually very simple to implement. You have no more excuses. Definitely look for quality products out there, and unique especially. So please give this system a try. It's very, very effective.